Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the timeless hit "Died in Your Arms Tonight" on your guitar. We will dive straight into the fundamental chords and a versatile strumming pattern that captures the song's essence. You'll discover how to navigate the verse, chorus, and bridge sections, building your confidence with each step. Get ready to bring this beloved tune to life with your own playing. Let's begin by exploring the core chords. The heart of "Died in Your Arms Tonight" lies in its chord progression. You'll primarily use a minor, E over G sharp, C over G, D over F sharp, F major 7, G over B, C major, D major, and G major. Don't let the slash chords intimidate you. They add a rich texture. Take your time to form each shape cleanly, ensuring every note rings out. Consistent practice of these 9 chords will build the muscle memory needed for seamless changes. Now let's talk about the strumming pattern, which is crucial for the song's feel. A good starting point is a consistent down, down, up motion. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and your rhythm steady, aiming for about 120 beats per minute. Experiment with varying your strumming force. A lighter touch for verses and a more pronounced strum for choruses will add wonderful dynamics to your performance. Bringing it all together requires patience and consistent practice. Start by slowly transitioning between the chords, ensuring each change is clean before speeding up. Play along with the original recording to internalize the timing and feel of the song. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. With dedication, you'll soon be confidently playing "Died in Your Arms Tonight" and enjoying every moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.